Hi, I'm Heather from Woolly Elephant. You'd normally see me here doing a craft video or podcast, but lately I've been looking to get myself a little subscription box of some kind. As I already do a sewing one, I thought I would get myself a Glossybox. I've not had this one before, so this is my very first one, and I thought I would do the unboxing here on video. I've taken them out of the cardboard box, but I haven't actually looked inside yet. I was saving it till I could video it. So with my first box, I also got an extra free box. I don't know why, but they sent them. They were ordered at the same time. I ordered the free one, the first one, and I got the free one, but they sent them both separately by different couriers. I don't understand why they did that. So I got one on Saturday, this one on Saturday. So I've been hanging on to this, not peeking since Saturday. It's now Wednesday today. And then this one, the free one, arrived today. So there it goes. This comes in such a beautiful box. A really, really pretty. You can see the holographic on the box, which is really nice. So 10 years of beauty, it says on the front. So here we go. It's all wrapped nicely in tissue paper and ribbon. Believe me, if I'd opened that, I wouldn't get it tied that prettily up again. So I'll point the camera down, and then you can see as I open them up. So there we go. So the first thing that we see is a Huda Beauty. This looks like a lip pencil, lip contour pencil. This one looks like in a nudish colour, which is quite good actually. I'm ready for a new one. So I'm quite pleased with that actually, because that's very similar colours to the kind of makeup colours I wear. Before I open any more, I just thought I'd tell you, so that in case this appeals to women similar age to me, I'm 51 years old. I do like my makeup. I generally wear Bare Minerals or Mally, or Laura Geller. I like Laura Geller as well. But this way I thought I could try out a few new brands to me to see if there's anything that would work well with my skin and for my age. So here we go, next one. So this is SA Smoothing Cream for dry, rough, bumpy skin. That'd be good for the top of your arms. CeraVe it's called. Exfoliates, softens. Sorry, that was just something falling down. Exfoliates, softens and smooths rough skin. So there we go. So I might actually just give that a try at the top of my arms, because I always seem to get rough skin, bumpy skin here. I don't know why, but that's something to give a go. Next one is Beauty Pro Brightening Sheet Mask. This should be interesting. I've never really used a mask before. I know my daughter uses them and likes them. So this is collagen, vitamin C, aloe vera. Brightens complexion and improves elasticity. Targets fine lines and wrinkles. Anti-aging formula. Well, I think I need a bit of that. So it'll be interesting to see how that goes. Now, SVR. Palpebril, I can't even say that, cream. I'm assuming this is like a face cream. Fragrance free. Trying to read it. Number one for hypersensitive to irritated eye contours. 24-hour hydration, immediately soothes and lasting relieves itching, curbs the appearance of irritation, smooth cream texture, long lasting. Now I have extremely irritable eyes. I have blepharitis, so that might be, that's actually, it's almost like they knew me. So that's pretty good, that really. So I'm from what I can read on that, that sounds like an eye cream, but for irritated eyes. Irritated eyelids, anti-itching, soothing cream. Well, I suffer from that quite a lot, so that they couldn't have picked that better, actually. So, and then, what else is in here? Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. This one. In a very pretty box. This is by Ciarte, I think that says. Ciarte in London. Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. So if I'm pronouncing these wrong, do have a laugh on my behalf. Let's have a look. I'll get that out. Very pretty colour. Pinks, that'd be very nice for summer. Try and get that to zoom in. So that's quite a pretty colour. That is, just says matchmaker, but it's pinks. So that's the bit of paperwork that comes with it. And then it's all come in this very pretty box with this holographic shredded paper. And I can keep that because I might well use that for when I send out my own orders. I can reuse that. I'm all for reusing with the tissue paper. So I think that was quite good because I think I paid about £13.50 for this first box. I think they're only about £15. So for what you got there, I think that's pretty good really. And I think I'm prepared to try everything in there, especially that pencil and the eye cream. And anything I don't use, I pass on to my daughter or to a friend. So that's number one. It's the inside of the box. Very pretty box. And then this was the other box. I think that I got as a bonus box because it was the first order. So this is how this one comes in a plain box. It's all pink and black inside. And again, it looks really pretty. And this says Spring Softness. Read this month's glossy magazine with all your latest products, tips and trends. And this looks like a code that you scan, maybe to see that. So what have we got this time? So this time we've got black tissue paper. Triple Chocolate Beauty Bites. Snack your way to glowing skin. Like the idea of that. So a bite with big beauty benefits. Hair, skin and nails. I'm not quite sure what that is. Milk chocolate. It's chocolate. Chocolate. Very good. So I'll be giving that a try later. This box smells really nice. Mitchell and Peach English Growers Body Souffle. Oh, this is a moisturiser that contains vitamin E, shea butter and honey to nourish, soften and protect skin. This smells... That smells really, really nice. I have to just give that a bit of a try. That feels quite nice actually. Smells really nice as well. So there we go. That's that one. Smooth Start Bond Reconstruct Shampoo with marshmallow extract. So a shampoo. Give that a smell. Oh yeah. That smells quite fruity as well. I wish you had smell-o-vision. By Wild Science, Leaf and Seed, that says. Quench hair for definitive shine and strength. Overstyle and environmental stress can lead to frizziness, flyaway hairs and fragility. So, again, that's me. Got quite fine hair these days. What's this one? Sand and Sky. Emu Apple Super Bounce Mask. These are all quite decent sizes, these ones as well. Can't smell that. Pop the lid on that. Oh, another one that smells really nice. So that's a mask. We've got, this is an eyeshadow. I can't even read that. WTN Paris. Rose in Rose Gold. So that's quite a pretty colour. I like all the browns and neutrals for makeup. I'm on to a bit of a winner with this box this time. Rub that on. I'll get that off later. Give my hand a bit of colour. And then this is the last thing. Morning Expert Hyaluronic, can't even say that, Hyaluronic Serum. 2% hyaluronic acid and slow release vitamin C, helping plump and brighten morning skin. And that's a 15ml tube. So again, so this is all things I'll actually give a go. Can't smell that one, it's got a seal on it. So I think that's pretty good value really. So I got all that for, I think it was, I paid about £13.50 to get all that for my first box. So I think that's a bit of a bargain really. So if you've been thinking about trying Glossybox, these were the two, this is the two boxes all together. And you got this, and you got this. All in two lovely boxes that you could easily reuse. So I'm looking forward to trying all this. I suggest you sign up and give that a go, because I think that was pretty good value for everything that you got. So until the next one, I'll see you next time. Bye.